Hey, how's it going? About 2 weeks ago, I actually had a viewer comment on one of my videos, and he was really curious about getting off his blood pressure medication. He'd been on it for about a year, and he's really tired of this. And he wanted first question he had was how many, he knew I was on different blood pressure medications, but he wanted to know what the names of them were. I got him out of the house so damn fast, I don't remember, so I apologize for that. The biggest thing about keto, because he's thinking about going on the ketogenic diet, the biggest thing about keto is you want to get fat adapted. And they probably should have renamed the diet that, because that's actually what you're doing. Our body's been burning glucose or cellulose, glucose or fructose for so long that we forgot how to become fat adapted and actually burn ketones. First benefit you're going to learn about burning ketones is that you're not going to be hungry. You could work 6-8 hours running a sledgehammer, breaking concrete, and you're just satiated. I mean, you have no appetite. I forget to eat a lot. It's kind of scary, but anyway, getting off the blood pressure medications, the way I did it was I throttled down, and I did it pretty fast. I was able to do it probably in about a week, because it was 1 in the morning, 1 at night, times 4. It was ridiculous, always, having the alarm clock going off and saying, oh, I have to take my meds and all that bullshit. But I got off it fast because I realized with the research that I knew about this medication, the side effects were ridiculous, and I wasn't going to take this medication and actually get sick on it. That's not going to happen. So I pulled it out, as fast as I could. The first thing you'll notice, everyone talks about weight loss and all that. That wasn't my goal. My goal was to figure out why I wasn't healthy, why I felt like crap. And what I started to realize is that bump on my belly, the so-called beer belly, because I drank beer, or the soda belly, or whatever you want to call it, was actually fat on my organs. My body's smart, and the first thing it did is it went ahead and took all the energy, all the fat off the organs first. And actually, I still have the same content of fat on my belly, but you can't really see it. But it's there in a reserve if I need it. But I really hope this helps. It doesn't matter if it's paleo, keto, carnivore, which I'm kind of more carnivore these days. I kind of told the vegetable to just go away. I'm done with you. And it's not that hard. You don't have to Google this and buy, programs and do all that crap. You can YouTube it and actually see professionals out there. And I'm talking, verify your information. But you can actually see people out there that are apologizing for not actually researching what they were taught in school and just taking it as the gospel. But there's doctors out there, medical doctors, that actually did the research and said, wait a second, it ain't right. On a funny note, I just tell you this will be another video again. About 2 months ago, I realized I'm allergic to the coffee bean, go figure. So I'm on tea now, and just kind of tweaking it a little bit, just get feeling better all the time. And it's just, you're better off practicing on yourself than letting somebody else practice on you. That's the bottom line here. But anyway, I hope you guys had a good day, and I will talk to you soon. See you guys later. Bye.